rush back home and do our homework. But I'm not going without watching the Narakasur Vada. I heard around 40 kids have been preparing for this since 1 month. I welcome Chandana auntie.
सभा सरस्वती को नमस्कार. I wish you all happiness and success on the occasion of Ganesh celebrations. We are going to showcase a drama titled Narakasur Vada. Once a person went to a poet because he read several versions of the Ramayana and he got a doubt which one is correct. So the poet said, the poet is actually a very great scholar. He said, every mythological story is a mirror. It shows you what more you can do about yourself. And the relevance shows even today because what the poet said long back was said in the song Dum Dum Bole. The line meaning, हम जैसे सोचे ये दुनिया में वैसे. So please watch the drama Narakasur Vada. It has relevance in today's generation. Our humble presentation. Thank you.
जय बोलो गणेश महाराज की. गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति.
जय श्री गणेश. स्वागतं सुस्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं. Welcome, warm welcome, hearty welcome. Dear children, I am sure that you know that this is Vaikuntha, the divine abode of Sri Mahavishnu. At his feet is Lakshmi Devi. Narada Mahamuni and Veda Panditacharya Gan have come to perform their routine prayers. But is it just yet another day? That we shall see. Come.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु. गणेशाय नमः. सरस्वत्यै नमः. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्.
Keshava, Madhava, Narayana. Bhumata is approaching the gates of Vaikuntha.
Bring her in with all the respect.
Jo Agnya Vaikunteshwar.
It has been a long time since Bhudevi has come to Vaikuntha. I am so happy to hear the news of her arrival.
लोकपालका.
सदा वैभवोपेत भव.
प्रणाम लक्ष्मी देवी.
Pranam Bhudevi. Welcome.
प्रणाम भूमाता।
सदा विष्णु सेवा प्राप्तिरस्तु।
Narayana, Narayana. How delightful. Bhumata, on behalf of Veda Panditacharyagan and myself, I thank you. Dhanyosmi Mata, Dhanyosmi.
I am Mother Earth, thereby mother of one and all. Yet, the earth requires the blessings of great souls like you.
Sampurna Subhiksha Praptirastu.
तथास्तु।
धन्योस्मि। प्रणाम पतिदेवा।
मनोवांचा फलसिद्धिरस्तु।
Bhumata, you already offered your pranams to Sri Mahavishnu as soon as you came. Now you again offered your pranams to him, and he says that your wishes will be fulfilled. What is your wish? What is your wish? There must be some Loka Kalyan in this. Sri Mahavishnu, hey Sriman Narayan, Bhumata is not going to reveal her wish. Please order her.
Bhudevi, reveal your wish. Narada smells some Loka Kalyan.
Hey Sthitikara, we are all busy with the tasks assigned to each one of us and more. Yet, I am your wife. I wish to stay with you for a while. I have come to invite you to the earth. I so do wish your Agaman. Please make it so sampan. I pray to you, my dear one. Suno suno dil ki dhadkan.
I shall definitely come. In Krita Yuga, demon Hiranyaksha would kick the earth off its orbit. The earth would fall into a vast ocean. I shall then come as Varaha avatar. I would have a huge body with the face of a boar. I would lift the earth with my external teeth and put the earth back in its orbit. So, following that, I will live on the earth. Sun liya dil ki dhadkan, be happy tanatantan.
Narayana, Narayana. Sri Mahavishnu as Varaha avatar with Bhudevi divine Bhusanchar. Narayana, Narayana. Hey Sri Mahavishnu, please give us your divine darshan with Sri Devi and Bhudevi on either side.
ध्यानं क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लुप्तासनस्थः स्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदाशङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
This is a forest. Several children have come for a picnic. Sitting on a rock is Naraka. He is the son of Varaha avatar and Bhumata. When Naraka was born, Bhumata asked certain boons for her son. She wished that Naraka should have all the powers and a very, very, very long life. Now Naraka has grown into a young man.
I'm bringing the kheer. Can somebody bring the apples?
I shall bring the apples.
I shall bring these yummy masala vadas.
I shall bring this juicy grapes.
I shall bring these soft doklas.
And I shall get the sweet and hot paniyarams.
What shall we play? What shall we play?
How about Sita Ram Kalyan?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Half of us can be dulhe wale.
Half of us can be Dulhan Wale.
Let us get the idols.
Oh my God!
Banasur is coming.
He is so scary.
Only God can save us.
We must be united.
Let us run away together.
Flee, flee, flee.
Banasur is coming.
Flee, flee, flee.
I am Naraka, son of Varaha Avatar and Bhumata.
Oh, so you are the one who keeps wasting your energy and long life. Dick, do you know what I do? I create floods. I create famine. I create drought. I create landslides. I trouble man. I torture women. I eat children. Ha 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 ha.
But what kind of pleasure do you gain by that, Banasur?
When I defeat somebody, I feel powerful, powerful, powerful.
I seem to understand your point. But I'm not a demon.
Not a demon by birth, but a demon indeed.
I subscribe to that. Be my friend, and we shall be horrendous.
is Kailash, the abode of Lord Shiva and Parvati Devi.
Devi Devi Jagannmata,
Deva Deva Mahadeva.
shall we dance Shubhankarini?
With movement and emotion, you and me.
శ్రీకర శుభంకర క్షమంకర శశిశేఖర
శ్రీకరి శుభంకరి క్షమంకరి శివశంకరి
పాహి మాం దేహి మాం పాహి మాం దేహి మాం పాహి మాం దేహి మాం పాహి మాం దేహి మాం.
Do not worry. Express your concern.
Hey Lord Shiva, Naraka is troubling everyone. He is not allowing us to perform our prayers.
The other day we were performing a yajna. He poured an animal's blood into the fire.
I was performing a penance. He created an earthquake and disturbed my concentration.
He creates windstorms when we are performing our puja. We get blown away.
Hey Lord Shiva, he tortures elders, women, men, children, animals and birds in our ashram. It is a sad state.
Parameshwara, when will these atrocities stop?
Naraka is not a demon by birth. His parents imbibed good qualities in him till the age of 12. He grew up and chose to be in the bad company of Banasur. I know that you went to Brahmadeva and he sent you people to me. Naraka's death is destined in Sri Mahavishnu's hands. So he and only he will decide when the time is ripe. Go to Vaikuntha, the divine abode of Sri Mahavishnu. You will get your answer.
This is a discussion room in Narakasur's fortress. The fortress is located in the city of Pragjotishpur.
So, we have discussed all the points in today's agenda. I would like to tell that I am fierce and strong. Nobody can touch me. Dum 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 tada!
Mitra Narakasur, I agree with you that you are fierce and strong. You rule the earth. You rule hell. I think it would be nice if you rule Amaravati, the heaven also.
Amaravati? Dum 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 tada! Dum 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 tada! We shall win Amaravati.
Murasur,
Ayyara Salaviyara.
train all our army troops. They have to fight the best war.
Ayyara Salaviyara.
Rakshas Pandit,
Ayyara Salaviyara.
do all the necessary research. Tell us all the mantras and kutantras that are required for us to become more powerful during the war.
Ayyara Salaviyara.
Rakshasi Vishadhuma Vayokshi. I heard you came up with a new poison that pricks. What are you going to do next?
I will spread the pricking poison through my eyes. It shall be a poisonous smoke which shall get filled into the air, all coming through my eyes. Ayyara Salaviyara. Ayyara Salaviyara.
Vipakshahara Kukshi Vishadhuma Vayokshi. So, the time to win Amaravati is coming soon. Let us celebrate.
This is Amaravati, the abode of Lord Indra, the king of the gods. Lord Indra's wife, Shachi Devi, is in the Amara Udyanavan. Lord Indra is watching her from a distance.
जय श्री सकल बुद्धि बल राशि जय सर्वज्ञ अमर अविनाशी जय 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 वीणा करधारी करती सदा सुहंस सवारी.
Devi Sachi, you have such a mellifluous voice.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you once again for coming to the Amar Udyanavan.
Priye, amidst the fragrance of Parijata flowers, I wish to dance with you.
With pleasure, Swami.
जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती डाली डाली कलियों को तितलियां छोड़
Priye, your tender presence must have got tired after the dance. Come, take some rest.
Devendra! Ah! Ooh!
Udi
Baba, Ammadi, Are Baba.
Flee, 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 flee.
Swami, have we been attacked?
Don't worry, dear. Let me look into the matter. Narkasur, leave Amravati at once. I will forgive you.
Leaving Amaravati? Forgiving me? Those are words of a coward. If you are valorous, come and fight me.
You have asked for it. Face my Vajrayudh.
అయ్యయ్యరా సెలవీయరా అయ్యయ్యరా సెలవీయరా అయ్యయ్యరా సెలవీయరా అయ్యయ్యరా సెలవీయరా.
Take away the Mani Parvat. Take away the Varuna Chhatra. Their place is my fortress. Tell everybody that Amaravati is mine. The Trilokas are mine. But why should those shining Karnakundal be yours, Aditi?
Beware, Naraka. You are insulting a Mahapativrata.
Hey! Even you are going to fall on the earth, Sachi.
Hey Aditi Mata, I am Akashavani. Do not worry. Remember the motivating song which is always sung by Sri Mahavishnu. It will help you.
एक अंधेरा लाख सितारे, एक निराशा लाख सहारे, सबसे बड़ी सौगात है जीवन, नादा है जो जीवन से हारे. Everybody wants control, don't hesitate to kill one another. So come back as Jesus, come back and save the world. That's all.
This is Satyabhama Devi's Rani Nivas in Dwaraka Nagari.
Dear lovely wives of mine, the tribal festival is going to start in a month from now. Pita Shri Vasudev, Mata Shri Devaki and Brata Shri Balaram have instructed me to make a plan. Would you like to make some suggestions? Let us start with you. Rukmini Devi.
Praneshwara, the tribals are ardent devotees of their goddess. We should actively participate in their puja and follow their culture.
True. We should also buy colorful clothes for them. We should felicitate each one of them with lots of gifts and utmost respect.
What wonderful thoughts, Kalindi Didi. When we go to the forest, they serve us with so much of love. In the second leg, they come to the city. We should also host a feast with innovative festive food.
You are correct, Mitravinda. We should serve them with our own hands. Once they finish eating, we should remove their banana leaves ourselves. What is your idea, Nagnajiti?
Manamohana, the tribals are very fond of war skills. It would be nice if you make a demonstration of archery, that's Dhanuryudh, and wrestling, that's Mushtiyudh.
What are you thinking, Bhadra?
Hey Dinabandhu, last time we provided tents to them. This time it would be nice if you bless them with pakka houses. It would save them from severe climatic conditions.
What about you, Lakshana?
Aryaputra, please relieve them from the demons in the forest. They would live happily.
What do you say, Jambavati?
Prananatha, I lived in the forest until I got married to you. The forest is full of thorns and dried twigs. They pierce the feet very badly. It would be nice if the tribals can be given magical padarakshakas which are durable forever.
Now it's your turn, Satyabhama.
Praneshwara, I would really be interested in a workshop with music and dance. It should educate the tribals in health and hygiene.
Wonderful suggestions from all of you. I shall include them in the plan.
Savdhan! 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 Kashyap Prajapati Vadhu! Devgan Mata! Mahapativrata! Aditi Mata! पधार रही हैं। Aditi Mata, it is so great to have you here in my palace.
Satyabhama, by virtue of your birth, we have become relatives. I am so happy to be here. I wish to speak to all of you, but my sorrow stops me.
Why are you in such deep pain?
Sri Krishna, Satyabhama, and all the lovely ladies sitting here, I would like to tell you something. Naraka has captured Amaravati. The gods and goddesses no longer live in heaven. They are all moving around in distress. This is unhealthy for the worlds. Naraka took away the Maniparvata and the Varuna Chatra to his fortress. He even went to the extent of snatching my earrings.
How dare he?
Aditi Mata, as Sri Mahavishnu, I promised that I would end Naraka's life in the Krishna avatar. Now the time has come. Do not worry. Gods and goddesses will again adorn heaven. Indra shall again become the king of the gods. I shall also bring back the belongings of Amaravati and most importantly, your Karnakundal. Whenever there is adharma in this world, I come here to bring dharma back in its form.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Hey Mahavir, I have a wish. I want to come with you to Naraka's city. I want to see your war skills in the battlefield.
Satya, why do you wish to come? A battlefield would not have sweet chirping sounds of singing birds. It would have bombarding sounds of crackling weapons. It would not have a sparkling flow of divine rivers. It would have fierce splashes of blood.
Hey Parampujaniya, why should I fear when I shall be by your side?
Okay, Satya, I shall enjoy your company.
Sri Krishna and Satyabhama flew from Dwaraka on the Garuda Vahana. They have just landed at Pragjotishpur in front of the fortress of Naraka. Morasur, the security in charge of the fortress, is in front of them.
So, you have managed to come here. Not bad. But if you wish to win, impossible I say.
Murasur, this fortress is surrounded by a circle of Maya mountains. Whenever we would try to descend from the sky, a mountain would suddenly increase its height and obstruct us. But Garuda cleverly brought us here. The reason is that we are on the side of Dharma, and Dharma always wins.
You and your boring speech. Don't you want to fight me?
Sure, let's go for it. Satya, it shall take some time for another set of demons to come. Till then, let us enjoy. Your eyes shine so bright, Satya.
Thank you, Praneshwara. I have a wish. I know that Narakasur's life has to end in your pious hands. Please allow me to fight the next set of demons who shall be coming.
Satya, do you think that I won't be able to fight them? Why do you want to strain yourself? Well, if you insist, stand strong. Be rigid. Be flexible. Take the weapons and fight.
Aryaputra, Naraka and his demons have harassed several women. I want to show them and the world at large that if a woman is determined, she can even kill them. A woman may have a soft skin, yet she is strong.
कोमल है कमजोर नहीं तू शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है.
Hey, Veer Nari, I am thoroughly thrilled with your war skills. I am proud to be your husband.
I am proud to be your wife, Atal Ranveer. Thank you for the opportunity.
Satya, please bestow the weapons to me. Naraka is about to come.
Taking a woman's help, you weakling!
Naraka, I see the end to every plight. Come, rise, let us fight.
Pitashri, Matashri, you have come all the way to amalgamate me in you. I am blessed. Thank you. Thank you for loving me despite all my misdeeds. Pitashri, I have but one request. I love Prabjyotishpur. Please name one mountain after me.
Certainly, Naraka. A mountain will be named after you as Narakachal. Not just that, this very Chaturdasi shall be identified as Naraka Chaturdasi every year.
Priyaputra Naraka, you have broken the shackles of darkness, of bad intentions and bad deeds. You are willingly seeing the light in good intentions and good deeds. As a mark of your character upliftment and enlightenment, the day after Naraka Chaturdasi shall be celebrated as the festival of lights. It shall be named Deepavali, meaning line of lights.
My dear son Naraka, from now on you shall be a holy soul which helps the world. All the pain is over. You are entering us. You are entering us.
Namo Narayana. Namo Bhumata.
Sri Krishna has come along with Rukmini Devi and Satyabhama Devi to hand over the heaven to the gods.
Mata Aditi, the gods are back to Amaravati. Indra has again become the king of the gods. The Varuna Chatra and Mani Parvat are back in their respective places. We have come to give you back your Karna Kundal. Rukmini, Satya,
Jo Ajna Swami.
Narada, it is a great day for us and for all the worlds. Sing in glory of the Lord.
श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण हरि हरि श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण हरि हरि श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण हरि हरि श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण हरि हरि तेरी लीला सबसे न्यारी न्यारी 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 हरि हरि भज मन नारायण नारायण हरि हरि भज मन नारायण नारायण हरि हरि जय जय नारायण
A guru and his students have come for a walk.
It was Diwali yesterday, so I chose to narrate the story of Narakasur Vad. Now, for the moral of the story. Narakasur was born in a great family. He was bestowed immense powers and a long life. But none of these could save him, since his deeds were not good. So what matters is not what we inherit. What matters is how good our deeds are. Hari Om.
Thank you, Gurudeva. You have told us a wonderful story.
It has a fantastic moral. We shall always remember it.
Sri Mahavishnu in the form of Sri Krishna and Bhumata in the form of Satyabhama have saved the world from Narakasur.
Thereby, Satyabhama, that is Bhumata, is also responsible for us to celebrate Diwali.
Yet, we litter Bhumata, that is the earth, on the same day of Diwali.
It does not matter if we have just finished our bath. Come, let us clean the earth.
भाइयों बहनों, महात्मा गांधी को सबसे प्रिय था सफाई, स्वच्छता। क्या हमारा देश स्वच्छ नहीं हो सकता है? अगर 125 करोड़ देशवासी तय कर लें कि मैं कभी गंदगी नहीं करूंगा, तो दुनिया की कौन सी ताकत है जो हमारे शहर गांव को आकर के गंदा कर सके?
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने। स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी, छल 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 कल 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 कल, एक धुली सी जिंदगी। स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी रोशनी।
परिपूर्णं तदस्तु ते परिपूर्णं तदस्तु ते समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Everyone, a lot of hard work has gone into the making of this play, and especially in the midst of exam time for folks. I'd like to talk about the characters and who has represented them, as well as the dubbing artist. Vishnu and Krishna, it's Shriya. Dubbing artist Rajesh. Let's raise your hands when I call your name. Lakshmi and Rukmini, Joshita, dubbing artist Srilekha. Bhudevi and Satyabhama, actor Trisha, dubbing artist Chandana. Bhudevi and Satyabhama, Trisha and Chandana. Narada, Aniruddha and Shashikiran. Veda Pandit 1, Tejas and Bhimashankaram. Veda Pandit 2, Hari and Sairam. Veda Pandit 3, Ishwar and Rajesh. Veda Pandit 4, Pranav and Amrender. Sevika 1, Pranav. Sevika 1, Vedika and Pramila. Sevika 2, Ishika and Pramila. Narakasur, the good Narakasur, Sumed and Chandra. Child 1, Anvita and Pratima. Child 2, Arjun and Shilpa. Child 3, Amog and Rohini. Child 4, Meenakshi and Sushma. Child 5, Ishan and Padmaja. Child 6, Varshini and Lavanya. Banasur, Parth and Vijay. Shiva, Saujanya and Chandra. Parvati Devi, Navya and Raji. Narakasur, the bad Narakasur. Achintya and Chandra.
Lift your hand, Chandra.
Murasur, Kaushik and Sairam. Rakshas Pandit, Yashraj and Dakshinamurti. Vishaduma Vayokshi, Anushka and Chandana. Rakshas 1, Akshit. Rakshas 2, Arpit. Rakshas 3, Kunal. Rakshas 4, Lokesh. Indra, Anchal and Vishal. Sachi Devi, Amrita and Lakshmi. Aditi Mata, Vaidatri and Kavita. Kalindi Devi, Jishnavi and Raji. Mitravinda, Priyanka and Pratima. Bhadra, Vinisha and Dharitri. Bhadra, Vinisha and Dharitri. Lakshana, Shruti and Shilpa. Jambavati, Maitri and Bhavani. Nagmajiti, Tanvi and Pramila. Guruji, Vikrant and Nagaraj. Garuda, Shashikiran. Chorus voices by Dakshinamurthy, Sairam, Rajesh, Shelly, Shilpa, Bhumishankaram and Chandra. Choreographer for all the dances, Usha garu.
Hello, Anna.
Usha garu on the stage.
I just taught dance and volunteers made this performance. It's all volunteers. My role is very little. Thank you.
Story, screenplay and overall direction by Chandana.
Three cheers for Chandana, please.
The acting of all the kids. The lead.
నేను ఇక్కడ గచ్చిబల్ దగ్గర బైక్ ఉంది వచ్చేస్తుంది బైక్ ఉంది వచ్చేస్తుంది 10 మినిట్ 32లో 2 అవును ఓకే క్లియర్ ఓకే
The person who coordinated all the acting, Pratima garu. There you go.
So, can you all raise your hands when your name is specified? Scene 1, Pratima and Padma. Can you please raise your hand? Scene 2, Sushma. Sushma. Sushma, can we have you on stage, please? So she is the one who has taken care of the smaller kids. So, scene 2, Sushma. Can we have a big round of applause, please? Scene 3 is again Pratima. Scene 4, Shelly. Scene 5, Shilpa, Rupa, Shelly. Scene 6, Pratima, Padma, Lavanya. Lavanya, yet another Lavanya. Lavanya from L and C. Right. So, scene 7, Pratima again. Scene 8, Rupa, Shilpa and Shaili. Scene 9, Sushma. And for the final scene when all the kids were there, of course, everybody is involved. So, we thank all the mothers and we don't want to leave the fathers out. So, we thank them also. And we thank the Ganesh Samiti for giving us all the support that we asked for and we did not even ask yet to provide it to us. So they are our grand promoters and supporters. A big round of applause for them.
Just a small announcement. There is a boy of 7 years, Parth Sharma, who is around here somewhere. His parents are looking for him. If you see a boy who's it? It is an announcement to the parents. He is apparently in the clubhouse. But if you see a boy crying or alone, please go ahead and try and find out if he is Parth. Thank you. Thanks everyone and have a very good evening.
Thank you. So we want to thank Chandana and her team for the excellent performance today. We really appreciate all the effort.